Are you the one who is always having chatter in the mind, or are you the one who is always agreeing to whatever comes to you without thinking the other aspect of it? Or are you the one who is always busy in the past thinking about your pain, struggles, etc.? If you're doing so, then you are doing a very crucial mistakes. Hi, my name is Naresh Kumar, and I'm going to have come with a new topic which can help you improve your life. So, whatever you are doing, you are thinking about the past or the present, or which is not productive, is not going to give you any result. And if you belong to this type of in this category, then it is not helpful for you. What I mean is that if you want to do something in your life, or if you are very much determined to do something, then you need to have a constructive thinking. Your thinking should always be in the positive directions. So why I'm telling this to be in a positive direction? Because see, I realized this very late. When I was small, I was having this problem, and not only me, almost every people is having this problem. They are always having a chatter in their mind. They're always thinking about the past, the present, why it happened, why it is happening again and again, why the solution is not coming, why they are not getting the confident, why the success is not coming to them. Definitely, if you are in the past, you'll always get the past result, past happenings will happen. If you are in a room and you want to come out, by being in the room and not doing anything, you will not be able to come out of it. If you want to come out, definitely you need to think how to come out of it. Either break the wall, break the door, whatever, or break the window, whatever you can do under your capacity. So, to go ahead, to progress in your life, or to upgrade yourself, you need to have a constructive thinking. Now, this constructive thinking is going to help you in all directions. It is a crucial element when you want to grow, when you want to succeed in your life. If you take the past example, or if you take any example, name any leader, whatever comes to your mind, whether it is Mahatma Gandhi, it is Steve Jobs, whether it is Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, any name you take, they all have been very thoughtful. They all have been always doing a thinking, critical thinking, or you say they were very much absorbed in their thinking constructively. So constructive thinking is very helpful, and that's why we call them a thought leader. So why don't we replicate them in our life? It's not very tough. Of course, you need to have a very you need to lot of energy is consumed here in thinking, but it is worth doing. So when you are doing this thinking in a positive direction, you are getting a result out of it, and one day you can also be a thought leader. So let's make a habit of thinking positively, thinking constructively, which will surely help us in our success, in our journey, and will be surely benefiting out of it. So with this, I hope it helps to you in taking a positive steps in the positive directions, and I'll come back again with the same time. So thank you so much. Signing off. Bye bye.